Right now, these look like plain peppers. Stay with me. Because what they turn into by the end is the whole reason I make this. I'm Grace. This is VeggieVibe. Let's get into it. We're starting with some nice ripe peppers. I love this shape. First, we're going to roast them. Just a little olive oil all over. Use a silicone brush or a sprig of thyme like I do. Into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now the onion, red or yellow, either one works. Just chop it up into small pieces. Garlic, we're not skipping this. You can use less, but don't leave it out completely. It gives the filling a nice kick and that warm, garlicky smell. Next, a carrot. Just grate it. Mushrooms. Look at these. Chop them into small pieces, any shape you like. A tomato goes in too, for juiciness and a little tang. Chop it with a knife or blend it if you prefer. If you're cooking along with me, a quick like really helps more home cooks find this. Leek. Honestly, I love that slightly sweet flavor it has. It's going to be so good in this. I like to cook with olive oil here, but corn oil works too. And some fresh thyme for that herby aroma. Everything's cooking together now, sharing all those flavors. Smell that. Already so good. Time to add the leek. Salt, a pinch or two. Smoked paprika for that smoky dap. And a little ground black pepper to taste. Which spices do you always reach for? Drop them in the comments below. Now the rice goes in. Add some water or use vegetable or mushroom broth. This filling is going to be so good. Now the tomatoes go in. No tomatoes? A cup of tomato juice works just fine. In just a few minutes, the filling is ready. Now let's finish it off. Green onions make everything a little brighter. Some parsley. Dill or cilantro would be great here too. If this one earns a spot on your table, the super thanks button helps me keep them coming. Nothing complicated here. Just stir the herbs right into the filling. Taste it and add salt if you need to. And here are our peppers. Once they're fully cooled, the skin peels right off. One little slit, and it opens up into a perfect boat. Now we just fill them. Be gentle so you don't tear the pepper. Don't pack it in too tight. This works for a holiday table or just a regular weeknight dinner. Everyone at the table is gonna love these. And it's all made with everyday ingredients. Know someone hunting for an easy dinner? Send this recipe their way. Now the cheese goes on top. Regular or vegan, both work. The only thing that matters is that it melts well. Try mixing a couple of different cheeses sometime. It's worth it. There's a lot of room to play around with this one. I love finding new combinations that just work. Take your time with this part. The hard part's already done. Look at those colors, aren't they pretty? You could almost frame a picture of these. If you'd make this again, subscribe so the next recipe lands right in your feed. It means a lot. Back in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that, perfect. A little fresh herbs on top and they're ready. Thank you so much for cooking along with me today. See you in the next one.